Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the December Cafe card kit. So this month's card kit is featuring Paper Rose Maya's Garden Basics. So it's a beautiful collection. The embellishments are florals, but we have a wide variety of colors here. It's super cute. So you're going to start with two 12 by 12 sheets of cardstock. One is a yellow and one is a salmon pink color. It's gorgeous. You're also going to get two 8.5 by 11 white cardstocks, and these cardstocks are heavyweight, so they could be more card bases. But we also give you 6 pre-scored card bases and 6 envelopes to get you started. We're going to dig into the paper first off. Like I said, this is Maya's Garden. So beautiful blues and yellows and that kind of salmon pink color. These are 6 by 6 double-sided sheets. So we have this one that's a geometric design, and the back is a blue tonal. We have the salmon watercolor, and the back is a yellow plaid design. We have a polka dot with all of the different colors, and the back is that salmon pink, a yellow watercolor, and the blue plaid. So you're going to actually get 2 sheets of those. Well, I will say the packs will vary. You're going to get half a pack of the collection, so your double sheets may be a little bit different than mine. We have a striped with all of the different colors, and then the salmon, again, I have a duplicate of that. We have a blue watercolor that has the yellow, and again, mine is a duplicate. So that is the pattern paper that you'll receive. Your embellishments, you'll get 2 of the die cut sheets that punch out with the florals on them. These will vary as well. This is half a pack of the embellishments, so it'll be these 2 or the other 2 that's in that pack. You're also going to get a yard each of twine. You're going to get some white and some peach twine. This is super thin, perfect for cards and mailing. I love that, and it's a perfect match. You're also going to get some little enamel dots in this super cute pink pearl in the different sizes. Those are from Spellbinders. There's 120 of those, so definitely plenty. You're also going to get a die cut. This is the Scripty Thanks from Lawn Fawn, so perfect for your cards. Again, that is your December card kit from the Scrap Room. Be sure to check out all the other kits we have available in the store, as well as individual items. If you've missed out on some of the past card kits, be sure to check those out. We still have some of the older kits in there. Don't forget to download your recipe card. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.